Hi, this is Anita from A Bus on a Dusty Road, and today we're going to take you to the Phat Diem Cathedral, which is about 123 kilometers or 76 miles outside Hanoi. And this is the front of it with the Christ statue there. And as you go, the first thing you'll see is this bell tower here. And this bell tower is quite an interesting history. It was the last part of the cathedral that was built. And if you're interested, you can read our blog on A Bus on a Dusty Road that has more information all about this cathedral and its history. But here you can see some of the detail that was done by Father Six, who was the architect of this, and a Vietnamese Catholic priest. An interesting part, too, of this bell tower is that Graham Greene stood on the top of this watching the war take place. And this actually, many people said that he wrote his book, The Quiet American, based upon what he saw here when he was here in the 1950s. This is some of the cathedral, which is the main building here. And this was actually bombed during the Vietnam War, or what they call here the American-Vietnam War. So you can see part of the old and new rooftops here. And if you go inside, this is the cathedral itself. You can see how big it is and how really magnificent it is, that it has all these wooden structures. And here's another view that we took as we went in. This altar is gold with lacquer on it, and it's really beautifully carved and very beautifully done. It's just a really magnificent cathedral with some magnificent artwork and the ceilings and just the details and the wood and the sort of the old sort of antique Vietnamese style too, which the architects did on this. You can see how this kind of feels a little bit almost like an old temple, but it's really a Catholic church or Catholic cathedral. It was built in the mid-1800s, like I said before, by Father Six, who was the architect of this. You can see even here some of the details of the doors. And there are several other chapels which are around it. So I really recommend, if you get a chance to go to Hanoi, if you love old architecture, go see this. And also check out our blog about this. It'll be in the link in the bottom of this YouTube that talks all about the history of this wonderful cathedral. This is Anita from A Bus on a Dusty Road. Thank you so much for listening, and please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also, check out our blog, A Bus on a Dusty Road. We have a lot of other great information about travel in Vietnam and other places. Thank you.